guys, we're here to show you our new 2018-2019 Stampin' Up Catalog. We're celebrating our 30th year with Stampin' Up, and we're unveiling our pre-order. So I want to show you some of our wonderful new things that we have. Da, 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 da. Oh my goodness. This is so much fun. This is the fun part. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at all these stamp pads. All right. Guess
Yay.
what? They've revamped the stamp pad. We have 16 new colors. 6 are returning back. And 10 are brand new colors that we've never had.
And 5 in colors.
That's right.
On top of that.
5 new in colors. It's amazing. There's new cases, and we'll get into that a little bit later. But you are going to love these new stamp pads. But let's introduce them to lovely lipstick, Grapefruit Grove. These are new in colors. Blueberry Bushel, Call Me Clover, Pineapple Punch. Pineapple Punch. So those are our 5 new in colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are the pearlized doilies. And they've got, on one side it's dull, and on the other side they're pearlized. And you can color those.
Very cute.
So they're amazing.
Fun doilies.
Here's some of our Share What You Love bundle. And these are Artisan Pearls.
Ooh, pretty.
They're beautiful colors. And here's one of the ribbons that goes with it. The Rich Razzleberry. It's a velvet ribbon. So that's really amazing.
Yeah, that texture. And it has like a sheen to it as well. So feminine. That's so pretty.
Oh my goodness, faceted buttons. Okay, we used to have clear faceted, but look at these. There are amazing colors.
Cute.
Different size
And
too.
yeah, there's like a medium and a small. I don't think there's a large size like there was in the clear ones, but those are so cute.
We have some cording here too. Okay, I'm just going to open this cording. It's a black cording, and we haven't had cording for a while. It's really pretty. It's kind of got a shine on it, and it's almost like a shimmer to it. It looks like there's like a bit of silver in it, but maybe it's just the reflection.
I think it just catches the light.
Maybe
that's
that's
pretty. And
it.
it's not stretchy or anything, but that's really pretty.
So metallic.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Another fun ribbon that we have is this polka dotted ribbon. I love polka dots. It's one of my favorite things.
This one's so cute.
Okay, look at that. One of them's poking up, the polka dot is, and the other one is flat. And I bet you can color that too using just sponge and your stamp pad.
That'll tie really well too.
Okay, this right here, this is a fun new suite that we've gotten it, and it's called Nature's Twine.
Oh yeah.
And look at those
Look
colors.
at those colors.
That also goes with the stamp set. The bundle is Rooted in Nature.
Oh, look how pretty. Oh.
So it's a 2-part stamp set, and I love the words.
Yeah, I was going to say that font.
Thinking
is
of
so
you.
cute.
Thank you for all you do. Oh, those are amazing. So
So
you can double
cute.
those words.
And it's a really big stamp set. All right, the paper is called Nature's Poem Designer Series paper.
Oh, wow. Look at that Cajun praise in there.
Yeah. Ooh, and that purple.
We have a new we have a couple new purples in the catalog. Gorgeous Grape, I believe is one of them. Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, look how pretty.
Oh, those are amazing. And that will go with,
Oh, that's like probably.
and I believe
my
these are
favorite.
designed to go with it too.
Yeah.
Look how it all coordinates.
That's beautiful.
So that's a really nice feature of that particular bundle that we just got. So I can't wait to go ahead and create with that.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one we're going to show you the paper for Share What You Love. And this paper, you notice you get 4 sheets of the same thing. 4 of this design here, 4 of this, and then 4 of this one with the little, it's got little writing on it. And then the other side looks like this.
Oh, so pretty.
And, oh, I love it.
Well, and some of them have that
Some
pearl
of them
line.
had a
it has-
pearl finish to it. I don't know if you
Yeah.
can see that.
It's really pretty.
And I love the polka dots. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The Blackberry Bliss, I think, is in this paper too. That's a returning in color.
Yes. So pretty.
Oh, beautiful. So you'll get 4 of each one of the papers. So this paper stack is 24 pieces, and it's got that sheen on the paper. So you're gonna love this whole.
Can you see when the light catches it? That's so pretty.
That is beautiful. All right, we have the Share What You Love bundle, and it comes with the 4 colors in the cardstock packet.
Mint macaron, grapefruit
grove,
old olive, and rich raspberry.
Ooh,
Pretty.
beautiful.
Can you see all that?
So pretty.
So pretty.
And it has a new folder, and I believe the folder is one of those really thick folders.
Oh.
I can feel it. So, it's
Yeah.
awesome. This is the stamp set that goes with it, Love What You Do, and it has this little watercolor look. And these 2 stamps right here are actually designed to use for the flowers. In other words, you use this one for this flower to color it in, use this one for this flower. So you can use it as accents or just to use as a color in that looks like the watercolor. So that's part of it. This is also part of the bundle, which they showed us at our on stage. And the fun thing about this, it has double letters. And these are the little sayings, hand stamped by, and then I could stamp the J, the I, L, L. So from the desk of, homemade by. So a lot of fun little things with this new stamp set. Those coordinate.
So cute.
And here is our statement of the heart: to love what we do and share what we love. As we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments, in this we make a difference. That's another fun one to put behind your card too.
Yes.
This is a little accessory pack that comes with the bundle.
Look at that cute box.
And you can use the box later.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't want to keep the statement of the heart on it, you can cover it up. But look, it matches the paper.
So cute.
Oh my goodness. So it's got little twine. And it has little paper clips and, oh, those are little decorative roses. Metal. So they're really metal. And these are.
And they had the adhesive on the back of them.
That's cool.
Cute.
So they have
Little,
2 different sizes.
like laser cutouts.
But this would be fun to make a couple cards, put them in this box, and use it as a gift.
Yeah.
Because the box, actually, feel how nice that box is.
Oh, yeah.
It's like
Yeah,
doubled.
it's like a real box.
It's really nice.
This is what the embossing folder looks like.
Oh, that's cute. So you can
So
use
it'd
that
be
as in
really
a background.
Cute. Yeah, a cute detail on a card.
So that's the whole Love What You Do suite. And then we've got another suite. This is called the Tranquil Textures. And it goes with one of the sea-looking sets. We actually forgot to order that in our order, but let me show you the cool colors it has. So that's the Night of Navy, the crumb cake, and
It looks like mint macaron.
but the 12 by 12 paper is amazing, and it comes with also these little beads that you can either stick on your card, and it has all those. It's fun for shaker cards, these beads.
This cute designer series paper. Look at all those textures. So
Oh, wow. It's almost like having a texture set with you.
Cute. Yeah.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah.
So Fresh Fig is in there. And I love these. Look like little bubbles.
Yeah.
That
So
reminds
cute.
me of stamping with an eraser.
Yeah, it does.
Getting that little dots.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a wonderful suite.
So
Love
cute.
that new paper. Let's go ahead and open this one and just show them the framelits for the Nature's Root,
Oh yeah.
because we forgot to show you this
That cute tree with
The tree.
Oh, look at that leaf.
Isn't that amazing?
I love it.
So that's giving you the texture to the leaf too. That is cool. So that goes with that suite, Nature's Root. Okay, another fun thing that Stampin' Up has brought out in this catalog is our painted glass stamp set. This stamp set has framelits to go with it. Okay, so these thinlit dies are really nice because, okay, we've got one for the bird, the rose, and the butterfly. But then you've got these extra elements to make it look like stained glass. And this amazing paper. Okay, and this, it's kind of hard to see, but the top is like raised. It's shiny. The little black is shiny. So imagine just coloring the back side of it. Is there 2 of every design? And there's a lot of designs.
Oh, yeah. Lots of them.
So you could even use that as water. That would be...
Yeah.
And with our Stampin' Blends on the back, they're just amazing.
Ooh, look at those
brilliant
birds.
Colors. So that is our new the stained glass.
Lots of different designs. There are 24 sheets, so 12 designs. 2 of each design. Yeah.
Another thing is the paper. The new ink color paper. Look at that yellow.
Look how bright.
Oh my goodness, it's so bright. Just love
So
the,
fun.
is it luscious lipstick? The blue is just electrifying too.
So pretty.
The next thing I'm going to show you is our Detailed with Love stamp set. Now this also comes with a punch, and this punch has a corner rounder to it.
Ooh.
And then this little edge thing that you can use, and then this also for your ribbon, to like for bookmarks and things like that.
So it
be able to
has
tie
the
with.
3 different
It's
punches.
a trio.
That's cool.
So that goes with the Detailed of Love. So if you look at this stamp right here, this could be that little punch right there is like designed to fit right
in
there.
that little corner.
And then you stamp that.
So cute.
And another amazing thing to go with that whole suite are these cards. These cards have cards and envelopes, but they've got these like wonderful watercolor look to them, like a wash. And
So pretty.
the overlays that go with this. Let's see, they call these Delightful Details Laser Cut Specialty Paper. They're very vanilla and Whisper White.
So you can do either.
You can do either side, and you've got these little ribbons here of different designs. So, and that's
So
both.
pretty.
So they have like a little tissue in between. So you get 3 of each. 1, 2, no, actually 4 of each, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 of each design. The next one is this amazing design.
Oh, wow.
So I was talking to somebody else about this, and they said, you know, you could take just elements of this design
Yeah.
and put it on your paper. So you've got the white and the vanilla on that, and there's 4 of all those designs. So you've got 2 different sheets, 4 of each design, and actually, because it's vanilla and white, there's the possibilities are endless with that one too. Beautiful. And those are designed to go as overlays. Let me just show you really quick how you could use that. Look at this right here. Just like as an overlay to that card.
Cut it right out.
Right, and then you just use one of the sayings over here.
So
And isn't that
pretty.
beautiful?
So pretty. Oh,
Love it, love it, love it.
love it.
And look at these that match those colors too.
Oh, cute rhinestones.
We've got these faceted dots.
Oh, faceted dots.
And they go
not
with that whole
rhinestones.
packet too. Oh, what's also new is our new Stampin' Blends. We have 11 new color combinations with the Stampin' Blends. And this particular one is the light lovely lipstick and the dark pineapple punch. So there's a light pineapple punch too. So 11 new color combinations. That's 22 markers. These, of course, are our color cardstocks. We have assorted new packs with our new colors in them. So we're excited about, look at all that cardstock.
Yes.
All right. What's new is Stampin' Up! Is our Memories and More packets. We have cards that coordinate with the Memories and More packets. So you don't have to pre-cut things. So here are these little cards. Basically got the card that fits right on the smaller card. And just imagine, same thing with these bigger cards. You have the cards and envelopes, so you don't have to cut it down. It's got an edge right on it.
Cute.
Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Quick and easy.
I
Quick
love
and
it.
easy, yeah. And so you just get one of these Memories and More pack. And the designs are also used for memory making, but also cards. They have more things for cards. Okay, the Big Shot, this Lily Pad Lake stamp set is new. And the framelits also. And oh, they showed this at our on stage. And they went ahead and stamped it and smeared it, and they made like this look of wood on glossy paper. This is this has got a bunch of little lines so it looks like water. But you can use it this way for so many different options. So loving those sayings too. So that's amazing stamp set and framelit. This is one of our $1 Million Achievers gets to design a stamp set. And this is Mary Fish. And hers also comes with a punch. So this is our new vase punch. If you turn it back, you can see the different options of vases and the flowers. So you can do it a bunch of different ways. And you can look, she's got the 3 different vases, or you go ahead and stamp this in black and then put your color on, or mask it and make it look like there's water inside. So this varied vases is going to be a really fun stamp set, and it's also in photopolymer, so you can line up things really good. Fun! Can't wait to create. Another $1 Million stamp set from our $1 Million Achiever is Connie Fitzgerald, and this is Enjoy Life. She said she designed it because her kids love to do certain activities, biking and running, and so we went ahead, and I love these. You can do a silhouette scene. In the catalog they show these stamped in black. In the background, they just watercolor wash it, and
So
it's amazing.
pretty.
But I love this stamp, and it's, you want to look at them. They're also photopolymer too, but look how big that is. That will look so cool. And with the grass, the sayings are very encouraging sayings too. Wake up, kick butt, repeat. So,
Sometimes I need to hear that.
and I don't think I could more than I already do. How beautiful a day can be when kindness touches it. Oh, just a really encouraging stamp set. I love the sayings.
So cute.
This next stamp set we received at our onstage was the Pick-a-Pennant. It's designed for the Stamparatus, and it's also photopolymer. And you go ahead and take the alphabet and put it inside each one of these, and you've got pennants that have a saying on it. So that's really fun.
So fun.
The animal outing was an all attendee giveaway. That one's fun too. This also has paper, designer series paper that goes with it. Oh, I love this. The birthday background stamp set. I just love the little confetti and the streamers, and that's going to be fun to be able to use with anything. So love it, love it.
So fun. Background stamp sets are the best.
This is actually like, I can kind of explain it as a lily pad stamp set, but it's the reflection of a water, but what you can go ahead and do is make a shadow effect with this. And the way that you do that, they showed us, is you would stamp it the normal way, and then you take the opposite side, turn it this way, and then stamp this flat side and make your shadow in the water. So the reflection in the water. So I'm excited to try that too. So that's another one I got as a door prize at our onstage. These are just some of the stamp pads that we were given at onstage also. And there's our new Mint Macaron is back. So anyway, we're really excited about our new Stampin' Up Catalog.
Yes.
And make sure you get on our list so you can get one of these. Hope you love this new product that we just showed you and our new catalog. And we're looking forward to showing you more ideas with these new things that we got. So we're going to be creating.
Yes. Lots
So-
to do.
Stay tuned and make sure you get one of these new catalogs going.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.